I was so terrified. It was during 2020. I had just lost everything in the stock market. I was trading. I had mentors. I had a coach, and it was $250,000 gone on a options play that I was doing. That was very, very conservative. But the
Yeah.
bond market, bond futures went nuts, blew me out. I was devastated. I had kids and married, and everything went away. And so I started to write, and I started to get into the writing story of that process and taking time with the Lord to really get into that space and say, you know what, I was actually leaning so hard on that capital that I had, so hard. It was my rock, and all of a sudden that rock, as you know in the scriptures, it says don't build yourself on the sand but on the rock. Well, it was on the sand, man. And I felt like the worst father, the worst husband ever on planet Earth, to have $250,000 evaporate like that. And that started going down that range of, not just the feelings, but saying, well, Lord, here I am. Like, what are we going to do next?